Sa mga kapatid, ito po ang inyong kapatid, my brother's keepers, Police Major Edwin Sergio, the PIO of the Benguet Police Provincial Office. And I would like to reflect on the verse, especially on Luke 16:10 to 12. It says here that the person who is trustworthy and small matter is also trustworthy in great ones. And the person who is dishonest in every small matters is also dishonest in great ones. If therefore you are not trustworthy with dishonest wealth, who will trust you with true wealth if you are not? And this verse uh, is related to Proverbs 16:8, when it says there that it is better to have a little honestly earned than to have a big amount which is dishonestly gained. And ang aking personal reflection dito is it is true that when we are trustworthy and small things is of course we are always trustworthy in all things. And so with if we are dishonest in small things, it follows that we are also become dishonest in big things. And yung sinasabi doon nga sa Proverbs 16:8 na it is better to have a little honestly gained or earned than to have a big amount dishonestly gained, no? This is to test our faith, no? This is to test our integrity, no? Na sama lahat ng mga bagay that were entrusted to us as the sons and daughters of God, no? So ang aking reflection dito is dapat is lahat ng bagay nagsisimula sa maliit or malaki man is we have always to be trustworthy and honest in all things. Kasi yung pagkakaalam natin is if those wealth, if those honest or investment are being gathered honestly, trustworthy, that is very acceptable to God. And of course, if that is very acceptable to God, we are being proud to it, no? As long as we know how to share those wealth, how to share those blessings and graces to other people, na kababayan natin, especially to those who are in needs or those who are despised. And ang sabi doon na we cannot brag, no? We cannot be proud of kung yung tinutulong natin sa mga iba o mga binibigay natin as donations or as charity is galing sa masama or galing sa dishonesty is we cannot be proud of, and that is very taboo or that is bad in the eyes of God. So yan naman po ang aking reflection on that verses. Ito ang iyong kapatid muli, my brother's keepers, Police Major Edwin Sergio from the Benguet Police Provincial Office. Maraming salamat po.